Hello, this is the third grade video tutorial for the homework. This video will show you what the child is supposed to bring home each night for homework, as well as what is expected for their homework. Each night I will send home a guided reader that they will use for the week. This is on their level and they will read it once each night. You have homework on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, so they will read this book 4 times, cover to cover, during the week. Each night, they will also bring home a fiction and non-fiction activity board, as well as a word work menu and their homework journal. The great thing about the homework journal is that they do all their homework for that day on one page. Monday has its own page. Math is on the front, reading is on the back. Tuesday has its own page. Wednesday has its own page. And Thursday has its own page. Next, I will show you how to do the homework. Each night, the child will have 3 pieces of homework. Math, as I said, will be on the front page. On the back, you will have word work and a reading response. Let's start with math. Each day, the student will write the day of the week as well as the date. This is important for them to learn these spelling skills. On that particular page, they will work the math problem for the day. The math problem will either be written in or glued in. There is only 1 or 2 math problems per day. The student will solve the problem and will have a couple of requirements. First of all, the student must use either a picture or an equation to solve each problem. Second, the student must explain what their answer means and how they got their answer, or why they solved in a certain way. For example, let me read the problem to you. Ashley has 4 more marbles than Glenn. Glenn has 35 marbles. How many marbles does Ashley have? When I explain my answer, I say that Ashley has a total of 39 marbles. I know this because I added 4 marbles to Glenn's 35 marbles because Ashley has 4 more marbles than Glenn. It is the student's responsibility to do their own homework, but I would appreciate if you would check over each part of the homework each night. To show me that you've checked over their homework for quality, please initial each night on each part of the homework. Let's move on to word work. Word work is the second part of the homework and should take no more than 10 minutes a night. Students get to choose their word work each night using the word work menu. The words they use for word work can be found in their agenda. There are 5 per week. Each night they can choose from one of several choices. On this particular night, the student chose to put their words in ABC order. Once they have done their word work, they may go to the word work menu and cross out the one they have chosen for the night. They may only use a box a night. They may only use each box once per week. I will change out the word work menu each week. The next part they have is assigned each night. I choose the response that the child will get. After reading the book that I have assigned them, they will do a response found off either the fiction or non-fiction board. In their journal as well as their agenda, it tells you the assignment for the night. Tonight's assignment is response number 3NF. NF stands for non-fiction. If it just said number 3F, that would be fiction. I will go to the non-fiction board and find 3F. It says, what is the main idea of the text? What details does the author include? Now, I will do the response, and when I have finished the response, just like with the word work, I will cross, as you see I've already done, the response off. This way I know that I have finished that response for the week. Remember, the teacher chooses the response, the student can choose the word work. Please remember to initial each part, the word work as well as the response. Now, While there is no assigned homework on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it is essential that students do read over the weekend. Please have them read at least 30 minutes each night of a book of their choice over the weekend. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to email or call me anytime. Thank you so much. Have a great night.